Hi everybody! Hi my lovelies, welcome back to my channel. For everybody who is new, I'm Leorah and I'm so glad you found me. So welcome to another video that I'm doing in collaboration with Wrapunzel. And Wrapunzel is supplying all the scarves and everything that you're seeing in this video. So today I have two very special models who are two of my daughters, and when I'm filming this is our Purim, so they have vacation and they wanted to help me while, you know, mommy has to work. So what can we do? So plus they're amazing models and they're showing you also some very beautiful Wrapunzel scarves. Anyway, everything you see is going to be listed in the description box, and we're going to do a tutorial for this look that I'm wearing today, and it's going to be a look that is in the section of two shapers one look, because you wanted to see also smaller shapers, which you also see on my girls, and I'm going to explain to you in a second what they are wearing. And besides that, we're just going to go right into the tutorial. Okay, so this is the first look that Shalhevet is wearing. She's my oldest daughter. She's 8 years old, and she and Kinneret, that you're going to see in a second, they are twin girls, even if you don't see it. Anyway, so my Shalhevet here is actually wearing the classic shaper. Can you turn it a little bit so people can see how beautiful you look? She's wearing the classic shaper that you need to get with a non-slip headband for underneath. And she's wearing the Harmony scarf in purple, and she's so pretty. Okay, turn around so they can see everything like this. And the other side. Very good. Okay, so this is Kinneret, and Kinneret is wearing the signature shaper, and above that this is the New York Brides in Kelly Green. Let's just turn around and see how gorgeous this is. You like it, Kinneret?
Yeah,
it's
10.
It's 10, which means it's good. Okay, girls, you want to stand here together?
Yeah.
And just let everybody see you again. You want to say hi?
Hi, everybody.
Okay, very good. Okay, now you can stand on the side, and Ima will show everybody what Ima did in her wrap. Hi, I'm back. Okay, so my girls will just model in the background while I'm showing you what I'm going to do right now. Okay, my lovelies, welcome to the first tutorial, finally. Okay, so this here, what I'm wearing is today the ultimate shaper, which I happen to really get into, you wouldn't believe. Okay, and I'm going to wear the 2-in-1 in teal, and I know I used that already last week, but it just happens to really go well with my outfit. So that's why I'm using this again. And I'm also wearing the symphony scarf that looks like this, which is also super beautiful. And I love all of these scarves that have these very special ends like this. I think this is super, super great. Anyway, so let's go right into it. Let's start. Now that everything is more crowded here, I have to squeeze in. Okay, we're putting down the 2-in-1 like this from the top down, lining it up with the shaper. I usually, especially when I'm wearing smaller shapers, I'm just pulling it up to the front a little bit and flipping it inwards, so I don't have too much material hanging down in the back. I just take so much that it covers the shaper nicely, and then I'm tying a knot behind my head like this. Okay, so that's it. And then I'm taking the symphony scarf. What's going on here behind my back? Okay, so here is the symphony scarf. I'm lining it up with both ends hanging down equally. And then I'm taking this tail end here and I'm twisting it about halfway like this. And then I do the same thing on this side. You don't need to do a lot, because the plan is that you bring it up here and then you cross them in the middle like this. Okay, and the length of you twisting it is just till here, till where they meet. And then you take the ends of the 2-in-1 and tuck them in here behind the twist. Just have to work it in a little bit because of the fringes. Or if you don't mind the fringes hanging out, then just let them hang down. And on the other side you do the same thing. Like this. And then I'm bringing these two ends down like this. And then I am taking a rubber band, and this time it is really a rubber band. And I'm just pulling it through like once or twice depending on the size of your rubber band. Like this. And then it hangs down. Like this. With a bigger shaper, you can even open this part here up more, so you have the whole benefit of the beauty of the symphony scarf. With the smaller shapers, it does not make too much sense because you still want to see the 2-in-1 here. Okay, but so this is my first look with which shaper was it? With the ultimate shaper. Okay, and now we're gonna go in the second one with my favorite Wendy shaper. Okay, my lovies, we are back with the second part of the tutorial, and again I'm taking the 2-in-1 in teal and placing it down from the top down like this. And here I don't have to flip in too much because obviously I need more material to cover the shaper. And I'm doing exactly the same thing. I'm just tying a knot behind my head like this. And actually with the bigger shaper, I always feel like you have more possibilities. So I'll show you in the end because you have two different ways to end the wrap, okay? So now I'm again placing the symphony scarf here at the back, like this. And now I'm starting to twist it together with the symphony scarf, with the 2-in-1, as well as here. It's really tight, girls. It's really tight here. So if this looks a little bit forced, this is because it's tight. Okay, I'm bringing up both ends towards the middle and crossing them over. And here you actually have the possibility, if you are having two scarves that are about the same length as here as the symphony scarf, then you do not need to push this part of the 2-in-1 behind here, what we just did before, 1 second, like this. Then you don't have to do that. You can just leave it together with the longer parts and just bring it back like this. But in my case here, because the 2-in-1 is shorter, much shorter than the symphony scarf, I have to do it this way. Okay, so here I'm tucking in the second side of the 2-in-1, making it disappear. And here now I can really open this up and make it really pop, because this scarf is really pretty and it deserves to be seen, right? So now what you can do is you can, first of all, you can of course do what I just showed you, using the rubber band and tying it in like a ponytail, or you just feed the ends in, like you cross over in your behind your head, and you feed them in and tuck them in away here like this. So that's one other thing. If you use a smaller shaper, you cannot do that because you just have too much material. Or you can try, but I think you will have too much material. So for me today, I'm going to use a rubber band again, and I'm just tying it like this because I love that look. So this is the look that you also saw in the intro, and that's how I'm gonna stay. Alright, my lovies, that was it. I hope you enjoyed. And yeah, let's bring the models forward here. Of course, also in the description box, you will find everything that they are wearing listed. So this here to my left, to your right, I guess, is Shalhevet. So you find under her name, you find everything listed that she is wearing. Here with the green scarf, this is Kinneret. And you can look for her name and then you'll find listed what she is wearing, and of course what I'm wearing is anyway also listed in the description box. Besides that, I hope you had fun. Let me know your feedback in the description box. I hope you had fun. I'll see you here next time for my next video, either for my next Wrapunzel video next week or for any of my other videos that are coming up. So if you're new here, then please subscribe to my channel. If you like the video, give it a like. And besides that, go ahead and sparkle. Have a very, very good week, a very good day, and we say hi and bye.
Bye bye.
And up until next time, hugs and kisses. Bye.